Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Vibes podcast.
Yes, welcome back. We're really happy to be here again.
I'm Emma.
And I'm John. This podcast is all about real conversations, simple English, and real life stories.
And before we jump in, don't forget to like the podcast, subscribe to the channel,
And hit the bell icon so you don't miss our future episodes.
All right, let's get comfortable.
Yeah, grab a coffee in your mind.
Hey John.
Hey Emma, how are you feeling today?
I feel calm.
Calm is good.
Yeah, one of those quiet days.
I feel a little tired.
You always feel tired.
It's my natural state now.
So today, we're talking about something very close to everyone's heart.
School and college.
Just hearing those words brings memories.
Good ones and stressful ones.
Exactly.
Bags, books, teachers, friends.
Exams.
So many exams.
Too many.
Do you remember your first day of school?
Yes, very clearly.
Really?
I remember standing at the gate and holding my mom's hand.
Same here.
I didn't want to let go.
I cried on my first day.
Oh, wow.
Loud crying. No shame.
I think many kids cry.
Teachers look scary at that age.
Very serious faces.
Like they never smiled.
Now I think they were just tired.
Probably.
School life had such a fixed routine.
Wake up early.
Same uniform every day.
Same classroom.
Same timetable.
At that time, it felt boring.
But now it feels simple.
Simple and safe.
Do you remember how heavy school bags were?
Oh my God, yes.
Books, notebooks, lunchbox, water bottle.
And still, the teacher said, bring all books tomorrow.
Always all books.
I felt like a small donkey carrying weight.
Same. Friends made school life better.
Without friends, school would be painful.
Break time was my favorite part of the day.
Same.
Talking, laughing, running around.
Sharing food.
If someone had chocolate, they were instantly popular.
True.
And teachers shouting, "Don't run!"
And we still ran.
School had small dramas too.
Oh yes.
She's not talking to me.
He took my pen.
Big emotions for small problems.
At that age, everything feels huge.
Exactly.
Exams were scary.
Very scary.
I couldn't sleep before exams.
My stomach hurt every time.
Teachers said, don't worry.
That never helped.
Never.
Did you study early?
No, last minute.
Same.
Promising myself, next time I'll study early.
And never doing it. School trips were special days.
The best days.
Bus rides, loud singing,
Sitting with friends.
looking out the window.
Feeling free.
Like a small holiday from life.
Teachers were nicer on trips.
A little nicer. High school felt different.
More pressure.
More homework.
And more stress.
We wanted to look cool.
But we were awkward.
Very awkward.
Bad hair days felt like the end of the world.
Yes. High school was also about confidence.
Or lack of confidence.
Caring too much about what people think.
Clothes, shoes, hair.
One comment could ruin your whole day.
Now we look back and laugh.
But at that time, it was serious. Some teachers really changed my life.
Same here.
One teacher believed in me.
That changes everything.
Those words stay with you forever.
Even years later. And then college started.
A completely new world.
No uniforms.
Freedom!
Too much freedom sometimes.
True.
First day of college felt strange. Nobody knows you.
New faces everywhere.
You can be anyone.
That felt exciting.
And scary at the same time.
College friends feel different from school friends.
Deeper conversations.
Talking about dreams,
talking about fears,
Talking about the future.
late night conversations.
Those talks hit differently.
Presentations scared me so much.
Me too.
My hands were shaking.
My voice felt weak.
But after some time,
It got easier.
practice helps a lot. Did you ever feel lost in college?
Many times.
Everyone looked confident.
But inside, many were confused.
We don't talk about that enough.
True. College teaches life lessons.
Responsibility,
Time management.
independence,
Making decisions.
paying bills.
The worst lesson.
Do you miss college?
Sometimes.
I miss the freedom.
I miss sitting and talking for hours.
I don't miss exams.
Same.
Graduation day was emotional,
Very emotional.
happy and sad at the same time.
Families were proud.
Cameras everywhere.
Heavy gowns.
After college, life moves fast.
Very fast.
No long holidays.
No easy breaks.
School days feel simple then.
We didn't know that back then.
If you could go back, what would you change?
I would worry less.
That's a good one.
What about you?
I would try more things.
Fear stops us when we are young.
Very true.
By the way,
Hmm?
if people enjoy these conversations,
They should like the podcast, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.
so they don't miss our chats.
Smooth again. I'm learning.
Talking about school and college makes me emotional.
Same here.
Time really flies.
One day you're in class.
And suddenly you're working.
Life is strange.
But beautiful.
School and college were not perfect.
But they shaped us.
Even the hard days.
Especially the hard days.
Those memories stay forever.
So, school was simple and emotional.
College was free but confusing.
Friends made everything better.
Teachers left deep marks.
And memories stay with us for life.
Before we end, I want to ask something.
Okay.
What is one school or college memory you will never forget?
Happy or sad, anything.
We'd really love to read them.
All right, it's time to go.
This was a really warm conversation.
It was.
Take care, Emma.
You too, John.